Should you go to the open house on your own or bring your realtor? In my opinion, you should actually go to the open house on your own. I mean, there's going to be another agent there. Go to the open house on your own, spend that Sunday, Saturday with your significant other or whatever, and just have a day, have a fun day, especially it's beautiful outside, and go by there. But one thing I do want you to do is let me know or your agent know if you're going to go to that open house. Because what I like to do is actually call or text that agent that is actually going to be hosting that open house to let them know that my client is coming, and just give them and talk to them a little bit about my client so that they can be comfortable when they talk to them. Yes, go by there. I'm going to let the agent know that you're coming, and maybe that agent will give you a cookie to enjoy at that open house. Get back with me if you loved it, and then so we can write that offer and get that house for you. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Matt Williams, eXp Realty, homesintheham.com. Please visit it for all your real estate needs. Thanks. Bye-bye.